This is a start to brand new channel. We have Bryce here, and then we have Zach behind the camera, but he won't be behind the camera much longer because I'm sure we'll be doing mods of his Charger, 2019 Dodge Charger SXT. And we got Bryce's 1500 EcoDiesel, and then I have my V6 3.7 liter Mustang, 2017. But tonight we are installing this beauty right here. Go ahead, Bryce, take it off. Tell them what you're installing.
So we got this Tesla style Android 8.1 radio. We got it right here. Got it off eBay for $600. Shipped directly from China. And I'm gonna and that's what it looks like.
So guys, we're in the truck. Here's the stock radio. We got the Tesla radio back there. We got our toolkit. We got tri kits. So it is a little bit dirty. We all just got off work. So yeah, we're gonna get started on this. I'm actually not gonna be doing this. I'm not the electrician here. Zach and Bryce is the electrician in this video. I'm the exterior mods master on, I guess, the page. But I'm gonna let Zach get in the front seat and I'm gonna take over the camera.
All right, so we're taking off the bezel right now. So first you want to pop this off and unscrew the two bolts right here. All right, so we have the bezel unscrewed and we're gonna pop it right out, just like that. You have 4 retainer clips right here. You just unplug. Alright, so we're going to take out these 13 screws around the bezel to get it out so we can install the new bezel with the radio. Have all the screws out, so now you're just going to lift up on this and it just slides right out.
Compared to this.
Oh man, that's going to make a big difference.
It's going to look a lot better.
Mm-hmm. So in order to put this in, you just do it basically the same way. So right here, and the top just hooks. Gotta work it a little bit, and it's in. Replace the screws, same spots. Alright, so we got all the screws back and screwed in, and as you can see, it looks amazing. Alright, so we're going to take out the stock radio. Alright, so got all the screws out. You're just going to pull this, just slide it straight out. Just like that. We'll disconnect all the wires if I can reach it. There it goes. And just disconnect all these. Really don't know how to disconnect them. All right, so now we have it all wired up back here, and this is what it looks like. So we actually have CarPlay, I can listen to music if I want to, text message, everything. Or you can click navigation and it automatically pulls up. Google Maps, radio. I can have it split screen. Just playing with it. I haven't really messed with it too much yet. Console. Tells you your RPMs, speed. Turn this down. Yeah, so that's it. Got everything popped back in.
Tighten this down to 40 foot-pounds. Look toward that.
And this is what it looks like. Night mode. Alright guys, so the install's done. Looks amazing. Happy with it. But before we go, I'll show you some of the stuff I've done to the exterior. So I installed these rock lights, 6 of them for $85 on Amazon, Pro Comp. I got my Moto metal wheels and tires from Monica Brothers. I paid like $2 grand for them, something like that. Not too bad. I got these headlights from a guy on Facebook for 50 bucks, so I mean, can't really complain. Got this Rough Country grill for 400. Roughcountry.com. The bull bar is also from Rough Country. Got this bullet antenna. I think that's about it for the exterior. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll leave a link for the radio in the description, and thank y'all for watching. Peace.